Hey guys, it's Terry. I'm going to give you a quick update on the CoCo Blender. Here is our prototype of the CoCo Blender down here. And so we've got new developments happening. So the things that we've got working in the CoCo Blender so far that you guys have seen, we have the always needed real-time clock because, you know, enough people can't have those built into it. It actually gets the time from an NTP server because it has Ethernet. So it has internet connectivity and it has a modem layer added on top of that that basically emulates a 6551, which is the serial chip that's used in the RS-232 pack. So it exposes itself as an RS-232 pack, but it has a modem emulation layer in there. So it has a command, an AT command set that allows you to make connections out or receive connections in from the internet via TCP. So those things you've probably already seen. The latest thing that I've just added to it is, ta-da, we have the SID chip configured in it. So if you take a look here, here's the BBS. We have the BBS up and running. And over here is a little Basic 09 program I wrote a while back for the just proof of concept for the SID chip. And I had to make like 2 line changes to this thing, and it's not optimized. We can make it go faster than this. This is just quick and dirty. Hey, does it work? So there's the program. I'm going to go ahead and type in run, and it is going to play a SID dump file of a song called Puppets. So here it is. And there we go. So yeah, it's working. And just to show you guys, I will start the song up and then log into the bulletin board. And there's going to be all kinds of contention going on for the I/O port and the SD card because we're reading that file from the SD card. That's not loaded into memory or anything like that. I don't even have a RAM disk configured for the bulletin board or anything else, which is probably, not good. I know it goes against the directions given in the RIBS documentation, but it seems to work okay with most of these modern emulated disks. Yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can telnet into this thing and let you guys see what that looks like while the audio is going on. It gets ridiculously slow, but here we go. All right, there it is. So you can see, indeed, it actually is coming out of the CoCo, and I'm not cheating. I'm not doing anything. Where the P2 is reading from a file system or anything like that. It's all coming out of the CoCo. It's just sitting there poking into a register. The way I set this up is I have one register that will set what the latch is for the SID. And so, you start with the first register in the SID, second, blah, 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 blah. So you can set it there. And what I do in this code is I just set it to 0, and then I take the dump file and just poke every byte after byte after byte right into the SID register, and it plays. I have the data register configured so that it will automatically increment that latch. So it'll go to the next register in the SID whenever you poke to it. So you don't have to update anything. There's extra code that's in here that doesn't need to be there. So it can go faster than we're hearing as far as getting data out there. You could probably do this in assembly, and boom, it's going to run super fast. The timing is probably off on this song. I don't know what the song really sounds like because I've never had a Commodore 64 or even heard that song before. But it to me seems pretty good. I'm sure that there's going to be someone out there that says it doesn't sound like a real SID or whatever. But whatever, man. It's doing its thing, and it's all working, and it's all coming out of the Parallax P2 right there that is plugged into this Tandy-Color computer. Anyways, guys, just wanted to give you an actual update that shows you what it's doing. We'll see you later.